Hello. Hola. Bonjour. How do you say hi in German? Or don't answer me. Okay.
Huh?
Guten Tag. Konnichiwa. Wait, what does Guten Tag mean?
Oh, guten Tag.
Guten Tag. Hello. Bonjour. Hola.
Well, basically,
Aloha.
if you want to know what guten Tag means, it means, Hey, Grandma, what does guten Tag mean? What does guten Tag mean? Okay.
Thank you. Guten Tag. That's crazy.
Guten Tag.
You crazy boy.
That was quick.
Anyway, we're watching Mythbusters.
Can't see it, but it's Mythbusters, alright?
Oh yeah, which is on the camera, but hey, wait, I don't know what to do. I can be silly. I know a lot of people worry about me. It's okay.
True.
I worry about you, Kyle.
Yeah.
Miniature. Kinda. Sometimes when I feel like it, blow up. Wow.
Oh,
Bye.
crap.